guys, I'm Ulfah and then my friend
Sarinah.
We will do short conversation our segment from Mr. Yansha. Where do you live?
I live in Mantangai, Kalimantan Tengah. And you?
I live in Awang Mangkal Barat, Kalimantan Selatan. And then what's your hobby?
My hobby is singing. And you?
My hobby is traveling and adventure and listening music and then play instrumental. What kind music of you sing?
I like to sing dangdut and pop and especially song from Banjarmasin.
Why?
Because Banjar song is so interested to me.
Wow! We can do a collaboration. I have a brother can play Panting instrumental from Banjar.
Okay guys, hi. Hey bro.
Hi.
Hi.
Sit down. Sure, we can try. It's okay. Come on, guys.